What's the meaning of apple pie bed? Apple pie bed. Apple pie bed.
Apple pie bed. Apple pie bed. Apple pie bed is a prank where someone makes a bed with the sheets and blankets tucked in so tightly that the person getting into bed cannot stretch out their legs. The phrase originated in the 19th century and was likely inspired by the neat and orderly appearance of a freshly baked apple pie. The result of an apple pie bed prank is that the victim is left feeling uncomfortable and unable to fully relax in their own bed until they figure out what is going on. It's a harmless prank that's meant to be playful and light-hearted.